Hello students, we have already started chapter number 4 subtraction and today we are in part 6. So today we are going to learn how to solve word problems. Okay, so let's start. First we will see the terms which we will use or the terms which used in subtraction. Terms used in subtraction. First term is taken away. Next, left with. How many less than? Next, minus. Next, difference. Next, decrease. And this all are terms which used in subtraction, which used in word problems also, in subtraction word problems. Okay, now we will see the steps. How do we solve word problems? See this step. Step number 1 is, first step is read the problem and find the information given in the problem. First we have to read the problem and then we have to find what is given in the problem. Okay, what information is given in the problem. Now the next step is understand what do I need to find. It means the next step is we have to understand what we have to find out in that problem. Okay, what is given. First we will read the problem and then we will find what is given in the problem. Then what we will do, we will understand what do I need to find. Okay, what we have to find out in that problem. And the last step, that is step number 3, is decide the operation and solve the problem. Decide the operation. It means we have to decide, we have to do the addition, we have to do the subtraction or other operation, right? But as present, we are doing subtraction sums. So decide the operation and the last step is solve the problem. Okay, if it is addition, solve in addition way. If it is subtraction, solve subtracting way. Okay, addition means we have to add and subtraction means we have to taking away. Correct? Now we will see example. Look at this example. First see this example. First step is read the problem. Right? So here we have to read the problem carefully. So 580 students went for an excursion to Goa during summer vacations. 580 students. How many students went for an excursion? 580 students. There were 375 boys in the group. 580 students went for an excursion. Okay, and in that excursion, in that group, 375 boys are there. Okay, so first what we will do, we will underline what is given. Okay, first we will underline what is given. So here 580 students given, right? It means total students 580 and there were 375 boys in the group, right? So in between that total of students, 375 boys are there. 375 boys. Correct? So how many were girls? Then next step is we have to find out what we have to find. So in this question, what we have to find? How many were girls? Means number of girls we have to find. Okay, so first understand the problem. First read the problem, understand what is given in the problem, and then second step is identify what do I need to find out. Means what you have to find out in that problem. And then next step is what? Find the operation. Here they are asking how many were girls. They are giving total number of students. In that total number of students, 375 are boys, were boys. And how many were girls? That we have to find out. So what we will do? We will subtract total number of students and number of boys. And then whatever the answer we will get, it is number of girls. Okay? So first we will, what is given? Total number of students. So we will write total students. Okay? So how many total students are here? 580. So first we will place this number at correct place. Okay? So 580. 0 we will place at 1's place. Then 8 we will place at 10's place. And 5 100 place. Correct? Then here we have to do subtraction. So then we will place subtraction sign. That is minus. Correct? Now next is what is given? Number of boys. So we'll write number of boys is 375. So first we will place 5 under the 1's place, then 7 under the 10's place, and 3 under the 100 place. 375. Now what we have to find out? Number of girls. So we will write number of girls. Okay? So now we will solve this problem. Okay? So we will start the subtraction from the 1's place. So here at 1's place, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 possible? No, because 0 is smaller than 5. It is not possible. Then what we will do? What we will do? Yes, we will take 110 from the 10's place. So we will take 110 from the 10's place and add it to the 0 ones. So 10 plus 0 1 equals to 10. So we will cut 0 and we will write 10. Now 10 minus 5 equals to how many? 10 minus 5 equals to 5. So we will write 5 under the 1's place. Now what? We borrow from the 10's place. So we will cut 8. We borrow 110. So 8 minus 1 is 8 minus 1 is 7. Correct? So we will write 7. Now 7 minus 7. Tell me 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7. 0. So we will write 0 under the 10's place. And next we will do the 100 place subtraction. Now tell me 100 place subtraction. Which number we have to subtract from which number? 3 from 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 we will write under the 100 place. So number of girls are 205. So how many were girls in the group? 205. 205. So we will write answer now. See, there were dash girls. So how many girls were in a group? 205. So we'll write 205. There were 205 girls in the group. Understand? Again I am revising steps. First step is read the problem. We have to read the problem carefully. Okay? Then we have to identify what is given in the problem. Okay? What information given in the problem. Next step is we have to identify, we have to see, we have to understand what do I need to find out. Then we will decide the operation. And what the next and last step is, according to the operation, we will solve the problem. Understand? Okay. Now open your maths textbook, page number 78. Page number 78. Question number 8. Last question in subtraction problem. Subtraction chapter. That is, solve these word problem. Okay? So different word problems are given. Now we have to solve that word problem. Remember the steps. With the help of steps, you can easily solve the word problems. Okay. So first question is A. Now you will read this problem with me. Okay. So Shonali is taller than Nikki by 50 centimeter. If Shonali's height is 124 centimeter, what is Nikki's height? Okay, then now what is first step? Yes, here we have to identify what is given in the problem. Okay, now we will see what is given in the problem. Shonali is taller than Nikki by 50 centimeter. Means difference is given, right? So we will underline 50 centimeter. If Shonali's height is 124 centimeter, Shonali's height is given. Shonali's height is 124 centimeter. What is Nikki's height? Okay. So, and second step is understand what do I need to identify. Here what you need to identify? Here you have to identify Nikki's height. Correct? Here what you have to identify? Nikki's height. Now what is next step? We have to decide the operation. So here which operation you will use? Subtraction, because as present we are doing subtraction. Okay? So taller than, when we need to find out the difference or decrease or less than or taken away, these terms, if it is used in word problem, it means that word problem is belongs to subtraction sum. Means that time we have to do the operation. Which operation we have to do? Subtraction operation. Okay, so here they were given difference, that is Shonali's is taller than Nikki by 50 centimeter. Difference is given. Hence here what we will do? Subtraction. Okay. So first we will place the correct number at correct place. Correct digit at correct place also. Correct. So here 124 is bigger or 50 centimeter is bigger. Correct. 124 centimeter is bigger. So first we will write, because subtraction's first rule is the bigger number, first we will write the bigger number, right? Bigger number is must. So here first we will write Shonali's height. Shonali's height is 124 centimeter. So first we will place this number at correct place. So first we will place 4 at 1's place, 2 at 10's place and 1 at 100 place. Okay. Then here in this sum what we have to do? Which operation we will use? Subtraction. So subtraction sign is minus. Now next is we will write the difference between the height. Difference in height by 50 centimeter. So 0 we will write under the 1's place and 5 we will write under the 10's place. Now we decide the operation also, and according to the operation what we have to do? Solve the problem. Okay. So we will solve this problem now. So subtraction we will start from the 100 place. No, from the 1's place. Very good. So at 1's place, which number we have to subtract from the which number? 0 from 4. That is 4 minus 0. Now 4 minus 0 is what? 4 minus 0 is 4 only. 0 means nothing. So here we have to take out anything? Nothing. So 4 minus 0 is 4 only. So 4 we will write under the 1's place. Next, now we will do the subtraction at 10's place. So 2 minus 5. 2 is smaller than 5. Then what we will do? We will take, yes, we will borrow from the 100 place. Correct? We will borrow from the 100 place. So, we will borrow from the 100 place. It means we will cut the 2 and we will add 10 plus 2 equals to 12. We will write 12. Right? Now we will solve tens place. 12 minus 5. So we'll start counting after this 5, that from the 6 till the 12. Count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7. Correct? So we'll write 7 under the tens place. Now we borrow from the 100 place. Right? So we borrow from the 100 place. So we will cut 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Nothing is left. So we'll write 0 and this 0 will jump down. Correct? So what is Nikki's height? 74 centimeter. So we'll write in answer, Nikki's height is dash centimeter. It is given, right? Nikki's height is dash centimeter. Tell me Nikki's height is 74 centimeter. 74 centimeter. Now we will solve next sum. Okay, next word problem. Now see this problem. First we will read the problem. Read the problem carefully. You have to read with me only. Okay. Mr. Rai had 937 rupees and Mr. Dua had 748 rupees. Who had less money and by how much? Write the statements also. This is the question. So first we will find out what is given in the problem. See here. What is given? Mr. Rai had 937 rupees. Right? So we will write Mr. Rai had 937 rupees. We will underline. Next, Mr. Dua had 748 rupees. How many money? 748 rupees. Who? Mr. Dua had. Okay. Now next, who had less money? This we have to identify. This we have to find out. What we have to find out? Who had less money and by how much? So who had less money by how much? This we have to find out. Correct? So now what we will do? We will find the subtract. We will find the operation. So here see, who had less money? Less money. Okay, we have to find out who had less money. We have to find out here difference. And when we have to find out the difference, that time which operation we will use? Subtraction. Correct? So here we will do subtraction. So first write the statements also. Okay, they were given. Write the statements also. Here we have to write the statements by own. Okay. So Mr. Rai had 937 rupees. So we will write rupees Mr. Rai had. How many rupees Mr. Rai had? 937. So we will place this number at correct place. 7 under the ones place, 3 under the tens place and 9 under the 100 place. Okay. Now Mr. Dua had 748 rupees. Then what is next statement? Rupees Mr. Dua had. So rupees, first we will write subtraction, that is minus sign. Okay. Then we will write this statement. Rupees Mr. Dua had. How many rupees Mr. Dua had? 748. So 8 we will write under the ones place, 4 we will write under the tens place and 7 under the 100 place. 748. Here why we write first Mr. Rai's rupees only? Why not Mr. Dua's rupees? Because 937 is bigger number. 748 is smaller number. Correct? Now we will solve this subtraction problem. So first we will start the subtraction from the ones place. But here what we have to find out? Difference in money, correct? So we have to find out difference in rupees. Okay, so start the subtraction sum. Ones place. So 7 minus 8 possible? No. What we will do? We will, yes, borrow 110 from the tens column and add it to the 7 ones. So 10 plus 7 equals to 17. So we will cut 7 and we will write 17. Correct? Now 17 minus 8. So what we will do? We will start the counting from the after the 8 till the 17. Count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 minus 8 equals to how many? 9. So 9 we will write under the ones place. We borrow from the tens place, 110. We borrow from the tens place, 110. So what we will do? We will cut the 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. We will write 2. Now 2 minus 4 possible? No, because 2 is smaller than 4. Then again we will borrow from the 100 place. So we will cut 2 and instead of 2 what we will write? 12. Now 12 minus 4 equals to how many? Yes, we will start the counting from the after the 4 till the 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 4 equals to 8. 8 we will write under the tens place. Okay. We borrow from the 100 place also. So what we will do? We will cut the 9 and instead of 9 what we will write? 8. Because 9 minus 1 is 8. So we will write 8. Now 8 minus 7 equals to how many? You know better way. 8 minus 7 equals to 1. So 1 we will write under the 100 place. Now what we have to find out? We have to write the answer also. Write the statement. It means we have to write the answer also. So here who had less money? By how much? Now tell me, Mr. Rai had less money or Mr. Dua had less money? Mr. Dua had. By how much? By, what is difference in rupees? Yes, 189. So Mr. Dua had 189 less rupees than Mr. Rai. So we'll write the answer. Mr. Dua had 189 rupees less than Mr. Rai. Here our final answer is Mr. Dua had 189 rupees less than Mr. Rai. Done? Okay. Now solve the next word problem. Rahul, you have to read with me, okay? Rahul typed 350 words. Then he deleted 175 words. How many words are left? How many words are left? Left. It means here first we will see what is given in the problem. Okay. So first we will underline what is given in the problem. Rahul typed 350 words. How many words Rahul typed? 350 words. So we will underline Rahul typed 350 words. Then he deleted 175 words. How many words he deleted? 175. Now what we have to find out? Here we have to find out how many words now left. He already typed 350 words. Okay. And in between that 350 words, he deleted 175 words. Now question is, how many are left? How many words are left? So what we have to find out? Words are left. How many words are left? Left. It means here which operation we will use? Subtraction. Correct? So now we will solve the problem. Okay. So first we will place these numbers at correct place. So 350 is bigger or 175 is bigger? Yes, 350 is bigger. Correct? So first we will write Rahul type 350 words. So 350, this number we will place at correct place first. Okay? So we will place 0 at 1's place, then 5 at 10's place, and 3 at 100 place. Okay? Next, then he deleted 175 words. Then what we will do? We decided the operation. Which operation here we will use? Subtraction. Means minus sign we will write. Then 175 words he deleted. So 5 we will write under the 1's place, 7 under the 10's place, and 1 under the 100 place. 175. Then we will solve this problem. So 0 minus 5 equals to what? See, 1's place subtraction. 0 minus 5. Possible? No. So we will borrow from the 10's place. Correct? So we will cut 0 and instead of 0 what we will write? 10. Now tell me 10 minus 5 equals to how many? 10 minus 5. 5. So 5 we will write under the 1's place. Next we borrow from the 10's place. We borrow 110 from the 10's place. So we will cut 5 minus 1 is 4. So we will cut 5 and instead of 5 what we will write? 4. Okay. Now 4 minus 7 is what? No. Because 4 is smaller than 7. Then what we will do? We will borrow from the 100 place now. Okay. So we will cut the 4 and instead of 4 what we will write? 14. Correct. Right? Because we borrow 110 from the 100 place. Correct? So 14. Now 14 minus 7. Now possible? Yes, because 14 is bigger than 7. And subtraction first rule is always we will use bigger number while we are subtracting. Right? So 14 minus 7. So we will start the counting after the 7 till the 14 because we don't have 14 fingers. We can't show the 14 fingers. From the 14 fingers we can easily take out 7. Correct? So what we will do then? We will start the subtraction. We will start the counting after the 8 because 7 already given there. After the 8 till 14. So start 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 we will write under the 10's place. Okay. We borrow from the 100 place also. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So we will cut 3 and we will write 2 because we borrow from the 100 place also. Okay. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 we will write under the 100 place. Now how many words are left? 175 words are left. 175 words are left. Okay. Now we will solve next. F. How much less is 437 and 898? They were asking how much less. Less it means the terms which we used in subtraction we saw earlier. That in that terms how much less than also there. Right? When in subtraction or when in word problem, how much less than or how much decreases, what is difference, etc. words, etc. terms are there. It means that problem belongs to the subtraction sum. So here how much less? It means it is subtraction sum. Here we have to do the subtraction. So 437, 898. So first we will place these numbers at correct place. So first which number we will place? 898 because it is bigger number. So 898, first we will place 8 under the 1's place, then 9 under the 100 place. No, then 9 under the 10's place and again 8 under the 100 place. Now read the number 898. Then afterwards we decided the operation. Which operation here we will use? Subtraction. So we'll write the subtraction sign. What is subtraction sign? Minus. Okay, then we will place next number, that is 437. Yes, so first we will place 7 under the ones place, then 3 under the tens place, and 4 under the hundred place. 437. Now we will solve this problem. We will start the subtraction from the hundred place, correct? No. Then we will start the subtraction from the ones place. So here at ones place, 8 minus 7 is there. Now tell me, 8 minus 7. What is left? 8 minus 7. Use your finger. Because 8 fingers you have. Correct? Total 10 fingers you have. So from the 8 fingers, how many fingers you have to take out? 7. Now tell me, 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Very good. 1 we will write under the ones place. Now tens place subtraction. 9 minus 3. 9 fingers you have. Okay, do now. 9 minus 3. From 9 fingers you have to, how many fingers you will take out? 3 fingers. Now tell me, 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 we will write under the tens place. Next, 100 place subtraction. 8 minus 4. Again you have 8 fingers, correct? Now 8 minus 4. Subtract. Yes, from 8 fingers you will take out 4 fingers. So how many left? 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So how much less is 437 and 898? By 461. What is difference in between 898 and 437? 461. Okay? So now see word problem B and E. In your textbook, word problem B and E is your homework. Okay? So step, according to this step, you have to solve the problem. Read the problem, understand the problem, what is information is given in the problem. Then what you need to identify, what you need to find out, that you have to decide. Okay? And the next is you have to decide the operation also, means which operation you will use, whether it is subtraction, whether it is addition. Okay? And then next sum is according to the operation you have to solve the problem. If it is addition, then you have to add. If it is subtraction, then you have to subtract. Understand? Okay. So word problem B and E is your homework in textbook. Okay. Now you have to take out your notebook and write notebook word problem, notebook homework. So this homework you have to write in your notebook. Right. Neha went to the store and bought 413 cherries. His family ate 239 of the cherries. How many cherries were left? Write the statements also. Done? Okay. Now next, second problem. How much less is 525 and 786? Done? Very good. So, our subtraction chapter is over. Correct? Now, what is your duty? You have to solve the problems. You have to complete your homework. You have to do the practice, more practice about all the subtraction sum, about all the addition sum and the word problems. Okay? All the word problems you have to do. You have to practice at your home. Done? Okay? You will do? I know you all are very good children and you will do the practice at your home. Okay?